Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So to be able to change date, time and the time zone manually, we have to turn off all of those switchers. So now we can freely tap on date and change the date just by swiping. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time. Just tap on it and here swipe to change. The time zone, just tap on this option, tap on region, and here we've got all of the regions that we can choose, so find yours and then tap on it, it will be immediately set. And here we can change the time format, so we can either use the automatic one, which is turned on by using the switcher, or we can turn it off and manually decide. So we can have 24-hour format or 12-hour format. It's up to you. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.